In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front sway bar link on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 6mm hex head, you can hold the stud as you use a 17mm wrench to take the nut off. Ours is rusted inside of here, and we will not be able to get the bit inside to hold it. So we're going to use a pair of locking pliers around the back. And we're going to twist those down, make them nice and tight. Using a 17mm socket, we're going to remove the nut. We're going to knock this sway bar link out of the sway bar. We're going to do the same thing on the top side. Remove the nut. And remove the sway bar link. Install the sway bar link. Get the nut started. Using an 18mm wrench, we're going to hold the back of the sway bar link. And using a 19mm socket, we'll snug down the nut. Do the same thing on the bottom. Hold with your wrench. Torque the sway bar nut to 55 foot-pounds. Do the same thing on the bottom. And you're good to go. Install the wheel. And get the lug nuts started. Snug down the lug nuts. And we'll torque the wheel on the ground. Torque the lug nuts in a star pattern to 76 foot-pounds. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.